Lesson 7. Noun as name of an action. Peace be with you. I'm Rodolfo Martin Vitancol. In this video, I will present to you noun as name of an action. Nouns that name an action are gerunds. What is a gerund? A gerund is the noun form of a verb that ends in ing, like cooking, eating, and swimming. Examples: swimming is my favorite sport. Smoking can cause cancer. Singing helps me unwind. I love dancing. My father gave me a whipping. How to tell if the ing form of a verb functions as a noun or gerund or as a verb? If the ing form of a verb is used in the sentence without being preceded by any helping or auxiliary verb, such as is, are, will be, would be, shall be, has been, have been, had been, it is a gerund. But if preceded by any helping verb, it is a verb. Example: reading. Below are sentences where reading functions as a noun or gerund because it is not being preceded by any helping or auxiliary verb. Reading is my passion. I love reading. Reading helps you improve your vocabulary. Below are sentences where reading functions as a verb because it is being preceded by a helping or auxiliary verb. He is reading a book. He has been reading since this morning. I will be reading it in a short while. Check this sentence below. My passion is reading. In the above sentence, reading is being preceded by is, but it still functions as a noun, not as a verb. Why? It is because the is in the sentence is not a helping verb, but a linking verb. What is the difference between a linking verb and helping verb? A linking verb is a type of verb used to connect the subject with something that describes it. Example: the boy is tall. The word is a linking verb connecting the boy with the word tall that describes the boy. In contrast, a helping verb assists or helps the main verb in expressing the action. Example: The boy is running. The word is a helping or auxiliary verb assisting or helping the verb running in expressing what the boy is doing. Is running is a verb phrase, not a gerund phrase. Applying the difference between linking and helping verb, we can now see from the sentence, my passion is reading, that the word is a linking verb, and the word reading is a gerund, not a verb, describing my passion. Another important thing to take note of is that a gerund cannot be used as an adjective to modify a noun. If the ing verb is used as an adjective, it is not a gerund, but a participle. Example, a talking doll. Talking is not a gerund. It is a participle acting as an adjective modifying the noun doll. What is the difference between a participle and a gerund? Actually, a gerund is also a participle. All ing verbs like swimming, cooking, eating, running, singing, and sleeping are participles. The difference is that a gerund functions as a noun, while participle functions as an adjective. Gerund. I enjoy talking. Talking is a gerund or noun used as direct object in the sentence. Participle. I bought a talking doll. Talking is a participle used as adjective to modify or describe the noun doll. Gerund. Crying releases my stress. Crying is a gerund or noun used as subject in the sentence. Participle. The crying baby is hungry. Crying is a participle used as adjective to modify or describe the noun baby. One last thing. Sometimes a gerund does not only consist of one word, but a group of words called gerund phrase. What is gerund phrase? A gerund phrase is a group of words headed by a gerund where the whole phrase is used as a noun. Example. Examples. Sweeping the floor is the easiest task. Sweeping the floor is a gerund phrase. I like singing in the rain. Singing in the rain is a gerund phrase. I want to talk to you about buying a pair of shoes. Buying a pair of shoes is a gerund. Charles gave winning the Olympics his top priority. Winning the Olympics is a gerund phrase. Quiz. This is a 20-item set of questions to test your understanding about this lesson on noun as name of an action. Instruction: write down on a piece of paper only the gerunds or nouns that refer to actions. If it is a gerund phrase, write down the whole phrase. Example: looking after many children keeps Jane busy. Answer: looking after many children. Jane is also a noun, but since it is not a gerund, it should not be included in the answer. The questions. You may pause the video after each question to write down your answer. If you don't want to see the answers as yet, pause the video right now. The next frame reveals the answers to the questions. You have 5 seconds to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answers. You may pause the video after each number to check your answer. the Simplified English Grammar program. This program is presented in a most progressive way, meaning it is proceeding step by step in logical sequence that if you jump over any of the steps, you will find difficulty in understanding what is being taught in the lesson you have jumped into. Therefore, if you are a newcomer to this channel and a first-timer in learning the English grammar, it is advisable that you start the program from the very beginning, that is, from lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless. Mabuhay!